Question number 1. The study of birds is called. Answer is ornithology. The study of bird is called ornithology. Question number 2. Which bird lays the biggest egg? Answer is the ostrich. Question number 3. Which bird has no wings at all? Answer is kiwis. Which bird symbolizes peace? Answer is dove. The bird dove symbolizes peace. Question number 5. Which bird fly longest distance in its life? Answer is Arctic tern. Question number 6. How many species of birds are in the world? Answer is more than 10,000 species of bird in the world. Which of the body part birds do not have? Answer is teeth. Question number 8. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer is bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Question number 9. How many years emu birds can live? Answer is 60 years. Question number 10. What is the fastest of all the birds? Answer is swift. Question number 11. Which is the only bird that can fly backward? Answer is hummingbird. Question number 12. Which bird can turn head around to look backward? Answer is the owl. Name the birds which lays only one egg in 2 years. Answer is albatross. How long does it take a bird to hatch its egg? Answer is 10 days to 30 days. Question number 15. Which bird has blue egg? Right answer is American robin birds. Which is the fastest bird in the world? Answer is peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world. Which is the most sensitive organ of a bird? Answer is eyes. Eyes is the most sensitive organs of a bird. Question number 18. Which bird is said to be very wise? Answer is the owl. What is the normal temperature of a bird? Answer is between 106 degree Fahrenheit and 109 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 20. Who is called the king of birds? Answer is eagle. Eagle is called the king of birds.